Claude just released extremely powerful financial plugins for everyday investors that allow you to do the work of Wall Street analysts in just under 60 seconds. So I'm going to walk you through how to install them, and I'll demo a couple of use cases so you can see live how it works. And to make it easy for you guys to follow, I also summarize all the steps in a clean document. The link is in the description. I'm Raf, I'm a chartered accountant, and I spent more than 8 years working in private equity here in London. The work you're about to watch used to take teams of analysts to deliver, and now it's just one command from your desk. Right, part 1. Make sure you have the correct setup. Step 1, you need to create an account with Claude. Super simple, just sign up with the email address you want. Step 2, you need a paid Claude plan because those plugins live inside a feature called Co-work, which is Claude's working mode for longer projects. Co-work is only on the paid Claude plans, so the free plan won't have access. Now, Pro starts at around $20 a month, and that's more than enough for you to start with. You can always upgrade if you want to. Step 3, Co-work is only available on the desktop app, not the browser version, so you just need to download it from claude.com. Open the desktop app, and at the top, you'll see a mode selectors with chat and Co-work. Click Co-work. That's the working mode where plugins live. In part 2, we will install these plugins from the marketplace of Claude. So marketplace is just a directory where all the plugins live. And once you've added it, you can browse and install from there. The financial plugins live in a public Anthropic repository on GitHub. It's just basically where all the codes are stored. Let's do it together. So open the Claude desktop app, and at the top of the app, click Co-work. On the left sidebar, you click Customize, then Browse Plugins, then Personal. Then click on the plus button and add Marketplace from GitHub. And then you have to paste this address, which is the address that links to where this financial plugin lives on GitHub. The full address is written on the document where I summarize all the steps in the description. Okay, so part 3, let's install those plugins we actually want. And for everyday investors, I recommend installing 4 plugins: Financial Analysis, Equity Research, Earnings Reviewer, and Market Researcher. Now, how to do it is you need to find Financial Analysis in the marketplace, click Install, and wait for it to activate. Very simple. And then you can see that the icon here is slightly different now those plugins have been installed. Now, other plugins like investment banking, private equity, wealth management, I don't think they'll be relevant to you right now. They're more for people working in jobs related to finance and investments. But by all means, if you want to have a look, might as well click on it, see what they do, but I don't think they'll be relevant for your everyday portfolio. That's it, you're all set up. Now, if you want a deeper breakdown of all those plugins, what they do, the best use cases, and which one matters the most for retail investors, check out my previous video on my channel because I wrote a whole guide on my website describing all of them one by one, and the link is also in the description. Okay, so let's demo some of these plugins now so you can see how they actually work in practice. In the first example, we will prepare a morning note on Apple using the Earnings Reviewer plugin. So start a co-work session, type /morning note on Apple, and as you can see in any co-work session, if you type /, you will see the full menu of commands. Now, you can also describe it with, plain English, and Claude will understand what you mean. And they are the outputs on Apple. So Claude pulls the latest filing, transcript, and news on Apple and hands you back a structured brief. Now, I made it small for the purpose of the video, but you can tailor it the way you want. And that's the kind of note an equity research analyst would have to manually write for a PM on a weekly basis. But now you get it in just a few minutes. Second example, so here I want to get some investment ideas from Claude, looking at, say, the healthcare sector in Europe. So I'm running the command /screen, healthcare Europe stocks. And Claude returns the top 5 stocks. So Claude runs the screen, search for ideas with the criteria built inside the equity research plugin, and gives you back the top names with the reasoning behind each one. That's giving you a whole sector view of the market in one prompt. Again, here as you can tell, I made it really simple. I said, 5 stocks, etc. But you can tailor it and make it as comprehensive and complex as you want. And these are the same frameworks that Wall Street's funds use, and it's now accessible to all of us. And one last thing to note on paid data connectors, because I received loads of comments on that. Claude might ask you to connect to data connectors like FactSet, Bloomberg, CapIQ. And to be clear, you don't need to have those. For the reports on my website, or what you've just seen in this video, I use static data. I do not have a paid subscription. These data are basically pulled from the numbers directly on the 10K, the official financial statements. Claude retrieves those data on its own, and you can do exactly the same things and the plugins will work perfectly. Now, some people want to create reports or morning notes that update on their own with the latest price, say, I don't know, overnight or every morning, without you prompting Claude. Then, of course, Claude will need to link the report to an API to keep inquiring the new prices every night. And that includes you paying for a third-party subscription to connect to the right API. But I just wanted to be very clear that those plugins can operate very simply without any third-party subscription. So that's the install for you guys and the demo of 2 very simple commands. The full step-by-step guide is in the description, and it also includes every command in one place so you can refer it back to it whenever you want. Let me know in the comments which command you ran first and how you found the outputs. And if you want more videos on how to use Claude and AI to help your investment decisions, then subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.